Yo, what's up with y'all girls and boys, man, and boys and girls, bro? Today is day 37. Today is day 37, and I told y'all, like, so yesterday? Yeah, yesterday we started learning React. Well, not really, we continued learning React yesterday, because I've already made videos learning React. So, yeah, we continued learning React yesterday. I'm doing this course by Super Simple Dev again. He a goat for real. This guy's a goat, to be honest. He putting out these free courses and stuff. So yeah. So we're gonna do the exercises for lesson 2. So this is the code from the lesson, and now I made a separate file for the exercises. So the first exercise: create an app component that returns a paragraph with the text "Hello, welcome to my website" inside. Let's say just gonna say exercises, not to confuse stuff. Okay, and I haven't opened the correct, yeah. Okay, now I open it. Okay, so I'm gonna say hello, welcome to my website. Okay, there we go. Continue in the app component, add two buttons after the paragraph. Login and sign up. Use a fragment to group them together. Use to write the JSX on multiple lines. Okay, so I'm gonna write this from scratch, and I'm gonna write a fragment. Actually, I didn't know what this was called. So basically, we use the fragment where we want to group the elements together, but we don't want to use a div for some reason. So I'm learning interesting things from this, by the way, because I'm learning things I didn't know. So you should always be open to learning new things. You shouldn't be like, oh yeah, I know everything, and then you're not gonna learn anything like that. Continue from 2A in the app component, add two buttons after the So okay, so it was supposed to be a paragraph where I wrote a freaking H1. Well, parallel is supposed to be a paragraph. Use fragment to group them together. Okay, button, login, and then another one for sign up. Okay, okay, we did that. What's next? Continue from 2B in the app component. Add two text boxes above the buttons with placeholders, email, and password. Lay out text boxes on separate lines using div. Okay, what the heck is happening? Put placeholder. Try any attribute type password to the password. Text boxes will cover up the text as you type. Email. Okay. And then another one. Put placeholder password type password. Okay, whoops, what the heck? Just write it on the same line. Try try out the text box on separate lines. Okay, so I'm guessing I guess I have to, there's a block element, so this should work, I guess. Oops. Yeah. Okay, like that. Continue from 2C. Create a new component called login form and move the text boxes and buttons, all the login related code into this component. Decide the app use login form to create the text boxes and buttons. So we're gonna make a component. Um, Login form. We're gonna move. Actually, we need to. I'm gonna use a fragment again. I'm gonna use a fragment again. Okay, is that too indented? I can't tell. Okay, continue create a text box and form the text boxes and buttons, all the login related code into this component. Inside the app use login form to create the text boxes. Okay, so right now we got this. Then we're gonna login form create. Okay. For this exercise, start again with an empty React website. Let's say that so we're creating an e-commerce app and one of the products is socks. Create an app component and display the details on the right into the website. Okay, I'm just gonna okay. I'm gonna make this from scratch again. Make this from the more times you write it, the more times you write it, the less friction there is, bro. Because in the beginning, when you're even writing a for loop in the beginning, bro, like there's friction there. There's like friction there. The more you write something, the more you do something, the more natural it becomes until it becomes second nature. But that could be bad for like other things, because if you do bad habits, if you do bad habits often, then that's gonna become second nature. So you gotta be careful with what you're doing, bro. You gotta be careful with what you're doing on a daily basis. Doing on a daily. Yeah, I just started yapping for some reason. I don't know if you tell me if you guys like the yap sessions. If I should yap more. Okay, that's three T's. Oh my gosh, Gully. Oh my gosh, Gully, you looking so T. Let's say that we're creating. Okay, I don't. Oh my God, bro. That's gonna be on dinner forever, bro. Jesus Christ. Let's say we're creating an e-commerce app and one of the products is socks. Create an app, display two more products on the website, tennis balls and a t-shirt. Instead of duplicating the code, create a product details component and use props to make it reusable. Then display three product details on the website for socks, tennis balls, and t-shirts. Function product detail. This is a component, not a function. So we're gonna have the name, the price, product name and product price. And now with the p tag, and now in the p tag we're gonna say name, and then we're gonna have price uh, price to fixed. Okay, and then okay, so we want three products. Okay, so we want product details. Name is cotton socks. Cotton socks. Yo, what the? Why is it not working? Do I need a price as well? Okay, I do. Oh, we need the add to cart. Yeah. Tennis balls, bro. Okay. Okay, no, the cotton socks are 10.90. And then the freaking plain t-shirt. Also, like, you guys, like, what are you guys learning right now? Like, are you guys like learning JavaScript? Are you guys learning Python? Are you guys learning React? Are you guys learning Node.js? Like, I'm curious to know what are you guys like? What are you guys like? I'm curious to know like what are you guys? What technology are you guys learning right now? Like, what are you or like what if you're making a project? What type of project is it? What type of project are you making right now? I'm curious to know. Please do tell me in the comments, like what technology, what programming language or framework or whatever you're learning, and what if you're making a project, what project are you making right now? I'd be curious to know. So we gotta change this to 7.99. 7.9. It could be a lot more. Okay, that rounds it. What if it's just one? Okay, it still rounds it. Okay, well. Okay, so display to our person website, yes. Instead, you can create a product component used to press to name and play. But it doesn't website. Yes, okay. Okay, we did do that. Okay, continuing. Ads. Some products can have a discount. Add a prop. It's called discount price. Discount price. If discount price exists, display it under the original price. Get a SaaS product discount price of $5.45. Discount price. If it exists, display under the so we got discount price and oops, what the yo, what is my P is not working. Okay. So okay, we're gonna give Okay, this is like I'm gonna give it a sucks a discount price of 545. Okay, I didn't. It needs to be this. Oops. Discount price. Also, like another question I have for y'all, like, are y'all in school? Are y'all like, how long have you been coding for? How long have you been coding for, and what are you doing to learn to code, or how did you learn to code? Were you self-taught? Was it a boot camp? Was it at college slash university? Like, tell me that as well. Okay, now I think it's yeah. If a product has a discount price, also cross out the original price. To cross out text surrounded with the element del, don't cross out the original price if there's no discount. Check if discount price does not exist. Use not discount price service to to get the final you're good. Okay. So hmm, um so we just need to cross this out, right? Okay, let's do it just to fix as well. Okay, so we have I can do discount price, no, discount price and del del uh price price that to fixed, and then I can do not discount price and p, oops, damn, I mean dang, and price price that to fixed. Okay, so you're good. So let's add a. Okay, let's kind of pretty this up a little bit. Kind of tidy this up. So we're gonna give a discount price of 67. Okay, that's crazy. That's a huge discount. Oops, wrong braces. Okay, not 12. Okay, that seems to work. The JavaScript has a feature called the ternary operator. If everyone is true, as the result of this, this is the same as blah blah the ternary operator. Okay. This turn operator in the JSX. Discount price. Got that. Yeah, let's actually move this to a new line because it's like. And also, we're gonna do this. Okay, remove this. Else it's like what? No, I don't forget. So let's remove the discount price from this. Now let's add a discount price to this. Maybe 4. Okay. We'll add an image at the top of each part. In browser, go to super simple dev/images. So press cancel png, t-shirt png. Super simple dev/images/cotton socks. Okay, dang. Socks png. Okay, we got this. And tennis balls. Tennis ball. Plain plain dash t dash shirt. Down the images and part that image at the top and a prop called image source. So it says the source attribute to the value of the image prop. Then get each part's image source. I'm the one and only mob from the east. Okay, now the moment of truth. Images/cotton socks png. Yo, what the heck? Okay, that's. Didn't I say that? Oh, no, it. Image get which product? Yeah, okay. Okay. Tennis dash balls and stuff. What the heck? What is happening? So, so this is not a block element. So put this in a div. And okay, now it's the last one. Plain t-shirt. So add an image for each product in the browser. Go to this URL, download the images, and add an image at the top. Add a prop called image source. Give the img attribute source. Image source. This is the attribute. Yeah, this is the source attribute to the image prop source prop. Then I give each product details of prop image source. Prop image source like this. Okay, yeah, we did that. Okay, guys, we're done. That's gonna be it for today, y'all. Yeah, write all the right answers to all the questions I asked y'all. Like, what programming language are you learning? How long have you been coding? What project are you working on right now? And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.